Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys for joining me today. Today I have a very quick and simple instructional video on how to replace a tail light bulb in your car, and this is going to be for a 2008 Dodge Avenger. So one indication that your tail light might be out is that when you go to indicate, you hear this. So you go to indicate and then it starts off normal and then it just goes super fast, like your indicator starts going really fast. That usually means that one of your light bulbs is out. So what I usually do is I go ahead and put my hazard lights on, and then I go and look around the car and see which bulb it is that's out. So that's the one right there. So I went ahead and opened the trunk, and you just want to make sure that you take out the correct light bulb. If you look over here, because there's two light bulbs, it should be the one on the inside. So we got to take that one out right there, not the one on the right. And to get in there, you just go into the back through the trunk, and you got to open this up. Whoops, don't lose this thing. Then you can pull down the liner. Hey, what is up guys? So I was just editing this video and I realized like something happened to the footage of me unscrewing those two tabs from the back of the light. I'm going to insert a clip right here of me screwing them back in, and I'm just going to reverse that clip so you know what I'm talking about. But basically all I did was remove these two tabs by unscrewing them inside the trunk behind the tail light. Now what you want to try to do is to get this tail light off. So that's why we removed those, and then we also got to push this through over here, this little, I don't know if you guys can see it, that white thing back there. So to get that thing through that hole, the way you do it is you kind of just like squeeze it together, and then you just like push it through. It does take a little force, but it goes, like when you squeeze it and push it, it goes right through. So we are taking out this light bulb right here, and to get that out, you go back here, right behind the bulb, and you twist this right here. And there it is. So this is the old bulb that I just took out, and if you look at it, you can see that it's all, all blown out. And one thing to remember is that it's okay to touch the old one with your hands because, it's already broken. But when you go to put the new one in, don't touch the actual bulb with your hands. Like use a cloth or use gloves or something, because you don't want the oils of your hands to get onto the bulb, because that will make the bulb, the new bulb, it won't last as long if you've touched it with your hands and got like your grease, like oils on it. So there's a Pep Boys right down the street. I'm just going to take this old bulb down there and get a new one exactly like it. I recommend taking the old bulb with you just to make sure you're getting the right one. Alright guys, just got back with the new light bulbs, including tax. They came out to be $8.20. Let's go ahead and put one in. So remember guys, don't touch them with your fingers. I'm going to carry them with a cloth. Alright, and that's it guys. Let's go ahead and test it out real quick before we put it back together. And there it is. Ooh, and can't forget this. Alright guys, that's just about it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and try to find a link to this light bulb on Amazon, and I'll link it down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out for yourself. If you have not done so yet, please go down there and give me a like. That would help me out so much. And also, if you want to keep up with my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace!